KLEMCO. Easy Stomp Pedal Extender turns that small, slippery, bent rod sorry excuse for a pedal into something you can actually get your boot on. Made in the USA from laser-cut stainless steel and includes a heavy-duty stainless steel clamp. Works on any rod-style pedal with enough surrounding clearance in a diameter of 0.43 to 0.67 inches, also known as 11 to 17 millimeters. Tractors that use this size and style of rod-type pedal includes many models made by Coyote, LS, Kubota, New Holland, Mahindra, Massey Ferguson, and others. Please note this does not fit John Deere tractors. There is not enough surrounding clearance and a troublesome bump on top of the John Deere rod-style pedal. Package includes one made in USA laser-cut stainless steel pedal with convenient traction nubs and one stainless steel clamp. Here are the traction nubs. We don't have them too high so that you easily catch your pant leg or boot laces on them, but plenty high enough for good traction. On the opposite side are two alignment nubs to help keep the pedal from twisting on the bar. Here we're using a mock differential bar to easily show what's going on. As you can see, when the pedal is clamped on securely, the alignment nubs keep the pedal from twisting. Make sure the alignment nubs are both on the same linear surface of the bar. If the nubs are too close to the corner or on the perpendicular portion, the pedal extender will not mount properly. The Easy Stomp can usually be mounted in two ways. One with the longer side away from the floor pan, and two with the longer side towards the floor pan, if there is clearance. This is a simple way to choose how far the pedal protrudes. The first step of installation is to loosely attach the clamp to the pedal. Insert the U-bolt from the top of the pedal. Slide the saddle over the U-bolt threads with the curved portion facing the Easy Stomp pedal. Now, add the stainless serrated flange nuts, leaving enough space so you can slide the assembly over the rod. Using our mock bar for ease of viewing, slide the KLEMCO pedal extender and clamp assembly over the bar to the desired position and tighten the nuts by hand until snug. Make sure the alignment nubs are in an appropriate location so the pedal will fasten securely. Adjust the pedal to the desired tilt and use a 7/16 wrench or socket to tighten the nuts to the final torque. The clamp is stout. Make sure you tighten so the pedal will not rotate when stepped on. If the pedal does rotate, then tighten the nuts more. It is very important to make sure you have enough clearance under the differential locking bar so that when fully pressed, the clamp U-bolt and nuts do not hit the floor pan, prohibiting the differential lock from fully engaging. This is important so no damage is done to the differential locking mechanism. Make sure you have this clearance. If there is not enough clearance, you can flip the clamp and have the nuts install from the top of the KLEMCO pedal extender. Install the saddle between the bar and the Easy Stomp pedal. If installed in this non-preferred fashion, take extra care not to snag loose clothing or laces. Your pedal is now installed. Enjoy your newfound easy to press and maintain differential locking abilities.